nato ng mga mga magtotoo nga once you become negative in your attitude towards God's word, then you become your own worst enemy. Mga nga parehan itong nahitabo ni Jonah. Kinsa man to Jonah. He disobeyed God's mandate to go to Nineveh. You see? So, ang usa ka believer who is negative makes himself a danger to himself. To himself. Siya ikaw galingon. And a danger to others. You know why? Because he is a loser believer. Lisod, no? When you are mingling with loser believers, delikado. Matakdan ka sa ilang pagka-loser. Bantay. Do not mix with loser believers who are negative.